working the Texas new license feed into CRM in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to filter newly licensed businesses, run the feed in your trade area, and push a fresh account into your pipeline. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales, New Licenses from your dashboard. This feed shows businesses that just got licensed in Texas, brand new accounts nobody's called on yet. Start by setting your brewery address center and the radius you cover. Set how recently a license was issued, the last 7, 30, or 90 days, and filter by license type so you focus on the accounts that fit what you sell. Click Run Feed to pull the newest licenses to the top. When you find one worth working, click Push to CRM. That creates a new account and pipeline entry automatically. No retyping the address and license details by hand. Checking this feed regularly means you're calling on brand new accounts while they're still unclaimed by competitors, instead of finding out months later when someone else has the shelf space.